When you got to get the spring plowing done and you're out there in the fields 10, 12, 14, maybe more hours a day, noise really gets to wearing you down, something awful. Really tires you out.
You only get so much time to get things done out in the fields, what with the weather being what it is, and well, you just plain need a tractor that ain't gonna break down on you. It's got to be rugged, you know?
You just can't afford to have a tractor give up on you when you're harvesting. You just better be able to take it and be one tough machine. Man's got to take it too. Not easy work farming.
Ford listens better than anyone else. And when better ideas produce a new product, Ford moves on. The challenges go on. The better ideas found and implemented and put into the field, even as new challenges are being met and solved. It never stops. Better ideas never do. Not when you have a great tradition in coming up with better and better ideas. What is learned from the farmer becomes a request of the scientist to design stronger metals, more durable materials. A request from the farmers for lower noise levels, better sound control, causes the scientist to perform experiments which send sound through metal to be recorded and studied. All of it a part of learning, of solving a problem, of designing a better tractor. Now, throughout the more than 1 million square feet of the Ford Romeo tractor plant, the pieces and parts of the new tractor take shape. And always the rule is, make it rugged, make it dependable. Finally, when the parts have proved themselves, the engine and the transmission are joined, and the rear axle is moved into position and becomes a part of the tractor's brawn and muscle. Finally, the beginnings of a tractor are honored with Ford paint. To make sure better ideas are truly better, they are tested, and tested, and tested again. Down the assembly line at Romeo, the better idea tractor continues to take shape. Though it is perhaps the most modern assembly line in the industry, much of the work is done by hand, as precisely, but more intelligently than by machine. The result? A tractor that is rugged, sound controlled, reliable, durable. Something to be proud of.